Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger app not working, not launching or not opening on Android devices. So if you are also into the same situation and looking how to fix Messenger not working or not opening on Android, then go through this video guide. So the very first thing you need to do is to restart your Android phone. For that, simply press the power plus volume up button and then select restart option over here. After restarting your device, now check if Messenger is opening or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is having trouble, then switch to mobile data or do vice versa. And after that, try to launch the app and check if it's working or not. If not, next is to check the Messenger servers. For that, go to Google Chrome and search for the down detector website from where you can easily check the status of the Messenger app. So after searching in the Google, now click on this website and here you can see if there is any outages reported for the Messenger app. If it's down, then you need to wait for some time. After that, again try to check if you can launch the app and you can access it without any issue. If the issue still continues, then you should force stop the Messenger app once. For that, simply hold the Messenger app and then click on I option over here. And here you can see force stop option. Simply click on it and then click on OK. After doing this, now try to check if it's working now. If not, you should clear the Messenger cache. For that, click on storage and cache and here you need to click on clear cache option. After this, launch the app and see if it's working. If not, you should also check whether the Messenger app needs any update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Messenger and now here you should check if there is any update available. If there is any update, simply click on update option and after the app is updated, now launch the app and see if it's opening or not. Next is to check your phone OS is updated or not. So for that, go to settings over here, go below, click on system update and here you should check if there is any update available. So in my case, it's saying already the latest system version is installed. So if there is any update available on your device, simply update your phone OS and after that try to check if the app is launching or not. If still you face the same issue, then you should reinstall the Messenger app. So for that, hold down the Messenger app, click on delete icon over here and then click on uninstall. After uninstalling, now go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Messenger app and here you need to click on install option. So after installing, log into it and check if you can access it and further problems will not occur. So these solutions will help you to fix the Messenger app not working, not opening, not launching or other issues on Android devices. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.